Well, good evening, Rhondda. This is Alistair Campbell here, ordered by Chris Bryant MP to read a poem. And I thought, what do I read? And I'm sitting here in my Burnley retro tracksuit, and Sean Dyche, who's kind of like my assistant manager up there, he actually just sent me, literally as I was thinking of which poem to do, he sent me this one, which is doing the rounds on the internet. You may have seen it, but it's very, very apposite, from Kitty O'Meara. And the people stayed home and read books and listened and rested and exercised and made art and played games and learned new ways of being and were still. And listening more deeply, some meditated, some prayed, some danced, some met their shadows, and the people began to think differently. And the people healed. And in the absence of people living in ignorant, dangerous, mindless, heartless ways, the earth began to heal. And when the danger passed and the people joined together again, they grieved their losses and made new choices and dreamed new images and created new ways to live and heal the earth fully as they had been healed. You can always hope.